Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head channel. Now, I'm extremely lucky because on this channel, I get to give away awesome products and I've teamed up with Crans. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I posted up on the Helmet Head Facebook page a way that you could enter to win a free set of locks. That's now closed and I'm about to announce the winner. But what I'll turn around and say is, if you're interested in winning free stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and basically watch the Helmet Head madness for your chance to win free products like these awesome Crans locks. But just before I reveal the winner, and I'm trying to do this whole video in just one take so you can see how fair and equal and even that I am, I've basically got a Fez hat. Now, if you've not seen the video, I rode all the way to Fez on a monkey bike, and basically I've got all their names in this hat now, and I'm going to reveal that in just a minute. But I want to take this opportunity on this video to talk about something that not all YouTubers talk about, because I've been here for years, and I mean years, creating content, traveling the world, going to awesome places. I've got a trip coming up at what I call the bucket list ones, all coming up next. But I create content constantly here. It's part of what I do for a living. Now, one of the hard things for us as YouTube content creators is we get quite a lot of negative and sometimes really nasty comments, and from people you could have actually met in real life later come back and they're quite nasty. Well, it's not the nicest. So to summarize it, when you create content, in reality you get 3/4 of your comments over time are actually nasty to 1/4 that are really nice. What keeps us going as YouTube content creators are the nice comments, the people that follow the journey, want to be part of the adventure. And basically for me, it's part, I call it the Helmet Head crew almost. They come along, they join in, and they're part of the channel. And the negative ones, well, I have to have a super thick skin and cut them out. But what I'm trying to say is, next time you're watching your favourite content creator, just take a moment to let them know that you're enjoying their content and you're giving them that boost that they deserve, because it can be quite mentally kind of draining when you get some nastiness. And again, we block it out, but what we really, really like is that positivity. So just remember that, please, next time you're watching one of your favourite YouTube content creators, give them a nice comment. It's a nice thing to do. Right, let's move on to the giveaway. Now, I posted this, like I said, on Facebook. I gave it around 2 weeks, and what I said is, you've literally got to take a screenshot of the comment, post it on the Facebook sort of, you know, the comments bit on there with the picture of the video when you watched it, and then you will be entered in. I think I said like and share, etc. So all that was there. So look, these are the names of the people that entered this competition. There's quite a few there. What's quite cool. So I'm going to put this in the famous Fez hat. I'm going to shake it around like so. I'm going to close my eyes and do this weird jiggly thing with my man boobs going, stop looking at the man boobs, stop looking at the man boobs. I'm going to make it really dramatic. I'm going to slow it right down as I do so. Here we go, dramatic music. Here we go, hand going in, boomf. So, I know who the winner is. I know the man that won, and I know that you want to know the man that's won. The intenseness is building and building and building. So just before I reveal this, I just want to turn and say to the winner, what I'll need you to do is literally email me or message me on Facebook with all of your contact details for world shipping. So that will be your name, your address, obviously the UK, your email and your contact number. I will pass them all on to Crans, and what they will do is they'll organise all of the shipping. It's out of my control, but I will email them all of the information, and then you'll get a shiny set of locks. This man is going to be extremely happy. Are you ready? The big winner, the one, the only, the man that's going to get a set of Crans locks is Graham Beeshold. Congratulations, buddy. You've just won yourself a set of free locks. Now, as I said, if you're interested in winning free stuff in the motorcycle world, when I get to work with Brand, I will mention a free giveaway. So lots of stuff does come up on this channel and will come up in the future. Hit that subscribe button, get involved in the Helmet Head action, and you could win some awesome bike stuff in the future. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy my reviews, my adventures, and all the craziness. And do you know what? it's been a pleasure. This is one take, and do you know what? I need a non-alcoholic beer, and I need to go and partay. Take care, ciao ciao, bye-bye for now.